What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back to my channel because I took a big YouTube hiatus. I haven't seen you guys in a while, but I thought what better time to make my return debut than during Vlogmas. So today's video, it was filmed a while ago, but it's going to be Vlogmas day 1 and it's very exciting wedding content. So I went dress shopping with my mom and our cousin Pam and my cousins, 3 of my cousins, Sydney, Madeline, and Delaney. And it was really meant to just be a fun thing to do. Let's see wedding dresses, let's try stuff on, let's just see what I like, maybe determine a style because I had no idea what I would want. And it turned into being the day I bought my wedding dress, which is crazy. Of course, I'm not showing my wedding dress. I feel like it's bad luck. We're not going to show it. However, I'm going to have this vlog for you guys where I'm trying on all different kinds of wedding dresses that I didn't choose. And yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you. Shout out to my cousins for filming this for me, especially Sydney. I handed her the camera and I said, please get some vlog footage. And she did amazing. I feel like I need to make her my personal vlogger now because she's so good at it. But all that to say, today's Vlogmas is going to be dress shopping. I don't know how long the video is going to be or if it's going to be fun to watch. I hope so. And stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas because I will be uploading a video every day in December. Fingers crossed it works out, but I'm excited. So let's get into the video.
Hey Erica and Angelo, we're so excited for you guys both. You're going to have a great life and we can't wait to be a part of it. Did you say you like the top, but you don't like the bottom? I don't like the bottom. What?